on, you wanna go? Okay, stop. Wow. Lagi yung bad. No.
Ang cold ng feet mo na.
What?
Cold ng feet mo.
I don't know why.
Tissue na.
You like it? Okay. It's so incredible. Amazing. Well, I don't usually talk. But you know what's more better than that? The U.S. And it's not just stunning cities. What? What did you say?
Did you say an F word?
It's so incredible.
Incredible. Amazing.
He said an F word, I think. Okay, so I heard KM.
Pinuri niya na incredible, nice the view, pero dapat daw yung mas tsada pa daw USA doon eh. Ikaw talaga. Siningit mo pa talaga sa vlog mo. Hindi ka pa nga nakapunta ng USA, nag-compare ka na. Tsada daw, nag-video siya, pero i-appeal pa niya yung vlog mo.
Lalang.
Una pa yung mas tsada pa, USA na siya.
Sorry, no idea what
You're a USA fanatic.
ano si KM narinig ko. Kaya yung F word. Sabi niya. Narinig.
Teka ng bad words.
Narinig ko yung bad word. I did not say a bad word. I said no. No, I heard the F word.
What?
F word? Yeah. I said it quietly. Yeah, but you still. I heard FUNGING. Yeah.
Ay, nasa Florida ka na kaya mo.
I'm in Florida. I'm really in Florida.
Ano ka sa USA? Parang US lang yung mga mountain ano na yan, oh, ranges, oh. Ayun, oh, kaya mo, nasa Florida ka na. May ganyan din doon eh. Yung mountains doon, oh. O, basahin mo, diba, saan yung Florida?
I'm at Florida.
Florida,
Florida. May Florida pala sa Philippines. Yes, guys. I'm at Florida. I'm making parts.
Sabihin mo na nasa Florida ka, sabihin mo sa vlog mo.
Canada or USA? Haha. The US. Bro, you like country balls? Yes. Means you like balls.